Hey everyone, Dr. Neil here. I get asked the question a lot, you probably do too. What's the popping or the clicking sound? I'm worried about it. I think it's damaging my spine. Not sure what that is. It's pretty simple. There's a capsule around a lot of our joints. There's fluid in there. There's gas bubbles dissolved in that fluid. And when the joints move certain ways, it creates a larger gas bubble. That large gas bubble then collapses back into the fluid, the synovial fluid in the joint, that makes a clicking sound or popping sound when that bubble goes back into solution. I get asked too, are the joints being damaged, or is there a problem that's happening? Is that degenerating my spine? That's kind of the rumor out there, or an old wives' tale. If you take your finger and you actually pull it, hopefully you can hear it here. Well, maybe not there. There you go. You heard a little clicking sound. And so what I was doing is actually pulling the bones apart. And so there can't be any rubbing or compressing together. There aren't ligaments being damaged in that. There's even research showing now that you get told that pulling on your fingers or cracking your knuckles sort of thing will cause arthritis. There's actually no research showing that. There's actually research showing that it doesn't do any damage to joints or cause arthritis and degeneration, those sorts of things. So that's what that sound is. Sometimes it's loud too, because the joints at the top of our neck, and we get adjusted up there, if they make a sound, that's very close to our ear, of course. And the sound is actually not the purpose of the adjustment, and you probably recognize that. The purpose of the adjustment is to remove nerve interference. The result sometimes is that popping or the clicking sound because of the way the joint moves and the shift that happens in the bubble and the gas that's inside of there. But the reason we adjust is not to make a clicking sound or a popping sound. The reason is to remove the nerve interference, and sometimes that happens as a side effect. So you were probably wondering, so now you know, there's your answer. Make sure you check us out on Facebook, Ancaster Family Chiropractic. Check out our website, ancasterfamilychiropractic.ca. Thanks for listening, and we'll talk soon.